Hi everybody. So today I'm going to be talking about how to set up and organize your Six Sigma project charter. Organizing your project isn't always an easy task. Where do you start? Who gets involved? How long should everything take? By using a Six Sigma charter, it helps keep you and your team organized and on track. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your own charter, and I'm also going to explain why each step is important. Okay, so this is my project charter. Obviously, I've got my title, which is here. This is actually a project that I'm doing with my family. It's organizing and cleaning the downstairs closet. You're going to have your timeline, the business case, your problem, your goal, analysis, potential issues, project team, tasks, members assigned, and level of completion. Using the Six Sigma method, you're going to define or find the problem, measure it, analyze what you can change, put in some controls, hypothesize how you're wanting to solve the problem, and improve by implementing those tasks. So the first thing that you're going to want to set up is your purpose or business case. This helps get everyone on board to figure out what exactly you guys are wanting to fix. For manufacturing, it could be safety, it could be production. For business, it could be cost savings or for inventory loss. It can also be things such as wanting to get healthier or wanting to get a new fitness regimen. For me, I set up one for my family. For me, the one that I'm with my family, I'm setting up my business case, and I want to regain efficiency during the daily routine, being able to locate necessary items and be able to quickly leave the premise without a lot of downtime. By getting everything lined out and easily explained, this helps you get everyone else on the same board and get people that you might need backing from, such as the CEO or your supervisors or even stakeholders in some cases. This helps you find the big why and then set up the actual problem. You want your problems to be something that is attainable or something that you can fix in a timely manner. Obviously, you're not going to want to put something out there that's completely impossible, or something that might take years and years and years. This is something that you want to implement as a small step to a bigger process. So for us, we know the problem is that the downstairs is messy and unorganized, and we have a downstairs closet that we really can't use. It's hard to find anything or store anything. So our goal is to organize and effectively clean the closet. Your business case is what you use to show how everyone can benefit from being involved. Why should everybody put their time and manpower and money into your project? This is the best time to bring in your stakeholders, your supervisors, your CEOs, husbands, whoever, and get everybody on the same page and to have them really believe in the project, because that's where you're going to get most of your incentive. Assembling a team is going to be probably the most important, critical part of putting together this charter. You always want to make sure that you're including a diverse group of people and that everyone knows what their task is and what is really expected of them. Make sure that their tasks are clearly stated, and then you want to make sure you have the team leader. A lot of times you want to have like a facilitator and even people who are doing maybe smaller tasks, it's always good to keep everyone on there so everyone knows who's involved. These are two that I always kind of put together, though they are separate on the charter themselves. Your goals should be, what are your expectations of the project? What do you think is going to be the good outcome? And this helps give everyone a vision and kind of their own goal to go along with the project. It doesn't have to be anything big. A lot of times the goal should be something a little bit smaller. The business case is what's going to take the big vision. So for this, it should be an easily attainable goal, one that you can definitely set like the parameters on and know where you're going to start and where you're going to finish. With problems, you always want to make sure that you can plan ahead and be prepared for any sort of issues or hiccups along the way. For us, it could be money could be an issue, or time crunches, or maybe you're doing something with somebody that's long distance. Having these problems set up in the long run can definitely help you along the way with your project. Having set tasks is going to be the next step. Always designate members of your team to these tasks so they know if it's something that they need to do or if it's something that they're going to be working with as a team. This helps people kind of communicate back and forth if there's tasks that are connected. And always make sure you're putting a time frame on when each task is expected to be done, just so that way you know whether or not you're on track. If something is going to take a little bit longer than you expect, you can help plan and prepare for those. Once again, I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the project. Every single project charter that you see isn't always going to be the same. Some are going to have more of a metric system, some are going to be a little bit more in depth, some can be relatively simple, like this one that you see, but each one is going to be unique in itself. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys, just to help you and everyone else that's on your team stay on track. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. All right, bye.